Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare, and thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to look at the Q10C. It's a mini folding quadcopter drone with dual cameras. I had a request from a commenter, a viewer rather. I'd like to shout out to them. Everything BTRJ, I believe. If I got that wrong, I'm sorry. But anyway, let's get into this, guys. Thanks for watching. Alright, so first we're going to have to power up the drone. And then we're not going to power the remote because this one can fly through the app with your phone as well, so I want to show you that first. So let's go ahead and find the Wi-Fi signal that the drone is sending. So we can do that by going into our Wi-Fi setting in our phone. Just long pressing that. I always like to shut mine off and back on. It seems to be quicker to find it. There it is. It's going to be the Joystick Q10. Just click on that and wait for a notification because it doesn't have an internet connection, so it's going to ask you if you want to stay connected, and you'll have to select yes or okay. There's the notification, so let's open that up and then select yes. Now it will stay connected. If you didn't do that, it would disconnect and it would aggravate you. So we're going to try to avoid that. Okay, so now let's exit out of here. We're going to go to the drone app, which is called TRB FPV. We're going to open that. Okay, so when you first get on here, you can either sign in or you can skip. So we'll go ahead and skip. And then to connect with the drone, we're just going to press connect or connection boot. Just like that. Hey, now we can see what the drone's seeing. So we're locked into the camera. Okay. Now, if you want to fly the drone, you'll have to select the controller icon right there. And now you can see you have the joysticks. So if you wanted to unlock the drone, you just simply press up on this joystick. And to shut it down, you come back down. You have your speed settings. Looks like it has 3 speeds. This is to take a picture. We're going to take a snapshot. Just hit that. Take a video. Started the video right there. Hit it again to shut it down. You can go into your gallery there to look at all your videos and photos. You have special effects. You can flip the screen. You have your gyro calibration. Here you have headless mode. If you open this up, you have more features like gravity sensor control, gesture mode. You can give it the peace sign to take a picture, or the stop hand will record. You have trajectory flight, voice commands, VR setting, and then you have your 360 rolls there. Over here you have emergency stop and then auto takeoff and landing. So if I press that, it would automatically take off, or if I pressed it again while it was flying, it would automatically land. Okay, so that's pretty much the app. How do you control it with the app? So now it's easy to connect back to the controller. Once you've done this, just simply click off of the remote icon and your drone will start to flash, and just power up your actual 2.4 gigahertz remote that you get with it, and you're connected. So basically the same thing. Push up to unlock the motor. If you don't want to take off, just press down and it'll shut off. Then you have auto takeoff and auto landing here, and light control. I'm not sure, I think that's for the controller, yes. And you have the picture button, so just short press to take still shots, long press to take video, long press to shut the video down, and again that will be stored into your apps gallery. You'll have to be running the app in order to save any of the photos because it does not have an SD card. Okay, then you have your gyro calibration on here. and then headless mode. And then your power button, your speed controller. So you have speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, and then if you hit it again, it'll go back to speed 1, and so on and so forth. And then your 360 button, so you can do flips. So you just press that, and then this joystick will, whichever way you want to do a flip, it should do a flip. Okay, so that's basically how you connect everything. That's how you get the drone started, ready to fly, how you connect the cameras. Oh, one step I forgot to tell you is you can switch between the cameras on this somehow, I believe. Maybe I'm wrong. Let me make sure. Maybe this one's just a single camera. That may just be optical flow sensor that it's being used for. Sorry about that. Hold on one moment. I'll see. Okay, I believe this is just a front-facing camera. Sorry about that, guys. I test a lot of drones. I get a little confused sometimes. But okay, so let me show you a little bit more about some of this stuff in the app. Like you can do VR, so you can wear your VR headset, and you just simply will tap on these icons to start up those features. Let's see, what else do we have? I think that's about it, guys, for this video. I will do some outside test with it so I can test some of the other features here real soon. We've had some really bad weather here lately. We're getting into the summer, so you know how that goes. It's a nasty transition sometimes. Anyway, everybody be safe. Thanks for watching. Thank you again for stopping by, and I hope you all have a great day. Enjoy the holiday. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Bye.